We're about to move forward here with our screen door project. I'm going to install the spline, and if you recall, this is what holds the screen into the door. Now, let me show you how this works real quick, just so you know. Around the entire circumference of the door, you have a track here that holds the spline, that holds the screen mesh in. So when you flip this down over it like this, what we're going to do is put our spline right here at the start. Okay, line that up, and then just start rolling it into the groove all the way around. And that's going to hold it in. Now you want to start right here in the corner and take your tool. Make sure you got the right end, and then in our case it's the bigger end, okay? So okay, Lucy, I got some splining to do. We're going to do it right now. And here's our first attempt. In she goes. Now don't worry if you see anything crimping or gathering, because this stuff is made out of fiberglass, and it's very pliable and stretchable and adaptable, and it's going to be real clean when we finish, you'll see. So let's start rolling this through here, okay? We got some splining to do. Here we go. And I did, by the way, I did double check. You want to make sure when you lay this out that it's pretty square around there, because you don't want to come up and have a corner look like that, right? Then you're in trouble after. You're going to pull your spline all the way out and do it all over. So here, we'll come back to this. There's our first corner. I'm going to come around here. Lay this out again. Throw this over here, and we got some more splining to do, okay? There's okay, let's make sure this one goes in good here. There. Okay, we're just going to kind of check this as you go and make sure it's looking square. Okay, I think we're okay right now. Okay, when we come back, we're going to continue on with the spline installation.